Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM6. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Have you noticed that your Thermomix TM6 isn't sealing properly when cooking? This can occur due to wear and tear on the sealing component or a misalignment in the lid. If left unaddressed, this issue can lead to inefficient cooking and potential spills, causing a mess in your kitchen. Thankfully, fixing it is straightforward. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a soft cloth, a replacement sealing ring, and a pair of tweezers. First, make sure your Thermomix TM6 is unplugged and cooled down completely. To begin, gently remove the lid by twisting it counterclockwise and lifting it off. Once the lid is off, you'll want to examine the sealing ring, which is located at the base of the lid. This is often the component that fails, causing the sealing issue. Use your fingers or tweezers to carefully pull the old sealing ring out of its groove. Be cautious not to damage the surrounding areas while doing this. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new sealing ring and gently place it into the groove, ensuring it fits snugly all the way around. Once the new ring is in place, it's time to reattach the lid. Align it properly and twist it clockwise until it locks into position. After that, plug your Thermomix back in and run a quick test to ensure it seals correctly. You should hear a click sound as it seals. If it's still not functioning as expected, it might be worth checking for any additional internal issues. To prevent this problem from recurring, make sure to regularly clean the sealing ring and check for any signs of wear. It's a good idea to replace it every so often to maintain optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.